Let's draw a perpendicular through a point on a given line in Eclipse. Sorry, in Xcode. Let's create a new Xcode project. Single view app, yes. Perpendicular for point on line. Include unit tests. Yes. Create. So we'll create a view file. Right click, new, Cocoa Touch, yes. Canvas view, next, create. Perpendicular, yeah, let's draw a horizontal line here. So let line goes UI Bezier path BE and line dot move to point. Let's start from 100 to 500 and line dot add line to enter x, yes. So x will be 500. Sorry, this one, let's put 300 here. Why? So it will be a horizontal line. Then stroke, yeah. And now we need to add a view in main storyboard. We'll pick our iPad simulator. No, this is a template. So here, let's make it a little bit smaller and click this icon to add a view. So UI view is this guy, so we can drag that here. Let's change its background color to, I want to use this one. It's very dark gray. Yes. No, very light gray. Yeah. And one more thing, we need to change its class to from the default UI view to our canvas view. Now give it a try, Command R. I forgot to select, let's stop it. And Command Q to quit. Let's select our iPad 9.7 inch, our favorite simulator. Yes, here is the line. Okay, I think we can push down this line a little bit. So let's go to our code. This one. If you like, you can move this up a little bit. You can put anywhere. It's for organization. Push down a little bit, maybe like that. Yeah, by 100. So put it 400 and make it a little bit longer. So 600 maybe here. And what about thicker? Line dot line width equal 3. Run it. Yes, very good. Now let's put a dot here for our problem point. So that's great. So this time, because we will use the object directly without giving it a variable or constant name. So UI Bezier path. This is how we draw a circle or arc. So point. So this one has to be on this line. So the Y has to be 400, right? So X, let's put somewhere here, maybe 600. 300. Okay. 300. This is 400. Radius. This is a little dot. Let's put the 5. Oh, too big. I guess 3 is good. Okay. So this will fill this circle with solid black. So it means start angle is 0. We can use a full circle. So 2 pi, 2 times CG float dot pi. Clockwise, it doesn't matter. True. Okay. So this will create an object of UI Bezier path representing a circle. So let's use fill. Yeah. The default color is black. So let's run it. Is it too small? Okay, so let's make it a little bit bigger, and we can move it to the right by 50. So 350. This one, make it bigger. Let's see. Okay, now let's use our perpendicular strategy. How can we'll draw 2 arcs, right, like that here to cut. We can draw a single arc, right, like half circle from here to here, so we can cut the 2 points on this line for the next step. So let's do it. We can use this this trick, so we don't need to create a name for it. Copy and paste. We use the same arc center, but now this time the radius can be maybe 100, 150. Okay, 150. Start angle. Let's start from here, 0 to here, 1 pi, right? Clockwise. So 0, 1 pi, and clockwise. Yes. Now this time it's not fill, it's a stroke. And let's set a color for it. So color literal. So we can select dot set stroke. Let's pick a purple, my favorite color, purple. So let's see. Yes, elegant. And let's start from here and end there. So it looks better. 0, so we can use negative 0.1 pi. Okay, CG float dot pi. Yeah, and here will be 1.1, right? 0.1. Let's see. So it, oh, okay. It's acceptable. I'm okay with that. Now we can move our compass here, right? To draw an arc there, and draw another arc like that, right? Here to find out the point, so we can get our target point. Then we can connect to generate the perpendicular. Okay. So that's great. Let's make a copy of this one. This time this arc center will be here, so this is 350 and this is 150, so here will be 200. Yeah, so 200. And the radius, let's use a bigger one. Like, let's try 250. Start angle. Okay, so this one will go like negative. We can go from negative pi, half pi to 45 degree. Okay, so let's do it. Negative half pi to negative 0.14, right? 1/4 pi, and clockwise. Yes, stroke. Let's give it a try. Cool. Should be okay. Let's draw another one. Make a copy. And we only need to change, right? Move the needle of the compass to here, so it will be 350 plus 150, 500. So here will be 500. Now, what about the angle? The angle will be here to there, or we can go from here to there, but this one will be counterclockwise. Let's do this. Let's give it a try. So from negative half pi to negative 0.75 pi. 75. And now let's try counterclockwise, fourth. Yeah, let's see if we can get the intersection we need. Yes, here. Now let's connect. Draw a line through this one. That's our perpendicular, and we'll use red color for our. We can make a copy of this one. Copy this one. Oh, I failed. What? I cannot select that. Yeah, copy, paste. The indentation is not quite right. Yeah, the strong red. And we can copy this one. And we can change this to answer. Right? Copy, replace that. So what about here? So X will be, this is 350. Let's move to 350. X We can start from 50, going down to 550 to here. Let's try 600, maybe. Let's see. Very good. That's it.